At Technique Training, our courses aren't just about getting certificates. It's about gaining the skills, competence, knowledge, and understanding to be able to do the job in the real world. You'll learn air conditioning step by step in true-to-life scenarios with patient support and no pressure. Gaining your City and Guilds F-gas and pipework qualifications amongst others, small classes, real equipment, real results. If you want a skill that's in demand, hands-on, and can change your earning potential, air conditioning could be your next move.